Dito na kami sa may supermarket, guys.
Yeah. Maybe I think if you walk in the evening,
Yeah.
it's gonna take you what, 10 minutes
Yes,
walk
that's right.
from our place. So
Not that far.
it's just near, and it's the local, something like Mexican Walmart.
Puntahan natin. Ito ang entrance. Tapos from here marami ng mga ganap dyan. Grabe, pawis ko. Hindi naman sobrang grabeng pawis, pero medyo pinagpawisan tayo dun.
People are just happy here. I don't know why. All of them, right?
Parang ang saya. It feels like so nice to live here.
Yeah. Wow. Trying the Mexican supermarket.
Supermarket.
Yeah, nice. Let's see.
It smells like Philippine supermarket,
Yeah.
right?
Let's see how much we can buy, and then compare to Canadian dollars later.
Yeah.
Right?
I want to buy that.
Oh yeah, let's buy and drive. Oh, Scotia Bank. What?
May Scotia box. Ay, grabe.
Take a car.
Wala kami ng cart. Tapos pasok tayo sa loob. Nice.
Bibi.
Wala na ba ilalaki pa yan?
Bibi.
It looks so big.
Lalaki? What is lalaki?
Lalaki means a guy. But I was talking about like the size. Like it's too big. Malaki. Iniwan lang ni Sumit yung bag niya. Hindi daw pwede magdala ng bag sa loob. They gave you like a number or something?
Yeah.
Ah.
This one.
Oh, ganyan pa. It's like same in the Philippines.
Yeah?
Yeah. Tara. Hey.
What is this?
Mango, I love favorite.
Mangoes, Ray. We are here.
Yeah, let's go to the fruit section then.
Fresh mangoes. I forgot about mangoes.
Yeah, let's go here first.
What is that? Yeah.
The things that we need.
It's Walmart, right? A local Walmart.
Oo. Magkano kaya? Kailangan namin ng Dio. Daming Dio eh. 33.
We also have
What is
these
this?
sprays.
Natural oh. I spray. I want this. 70.
What is that?
Garnier. Uy, I want that. Magkano siya? 70 pesos. Ah yeah, that one it looks good. I want that. Garnier? What's that? Olay? Garnier, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I want that. Yan na nasa akin pala. Wag na spray. How much? 33?
Different ones.
I want the yellow.
Different.
37 pala. Garnier. Yep, I'm done for mine.
You also
Mga
have
hair
local
color
brands.
sila. Okay kaya yung mga hair color nila. Malang pangkulay sa ano eh, sa Canada. Tapos hindi siya nag-work sa black hair. Kasi puro blonde sila eh. So hindi siya nagla-lighten kahit na mag-lighten ka ng. Oh, ito pwede ito sa dark hair color. Wala kasi kami check-in. Pag may check-in, bibili ako ng mga
You also
ganyan.
have these ones.
For now, I'm okay with this. We haven't by the... Wala pa yung check-in eh. Pag may check-in, bibili ako marami. Kala mo. Tara.
I just wanted to try the local brands
Oh.
because I know Garnier, I know other. Naman din.
Pili kami na local na shampoo, Savile daw
Yeah.
siya, tsaka conditioner. Sobrang bango niya, nakaamoy niya yung body mist ko ng bata ako.
Yeah, because we were talking about this and then I said we should try the local products
Oo.
to see if the local products are better than the one we buy all the time, like Garnier or Palmolive or something.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
this one and shampoo and conditioner.
Yeah, shampoo and a conditionador.
It smells so good.
Okay.
So we already have. Wait, where is the
Body mist.
this one?
Yeah.
This new?
I think so. It has the scotch tape. Small body mist.
Okay. Next.
Next.
What else?
Yung mga tinapay nila guys, naka-display lang ng bukas. Do you wanna try? They have a sample here, oh, Sumit. Pre-taste. The bread, you want? Tinapay.
Yeah.
There's this bread.
Yeah. Sweet bread. Is it? Yeah. I know. It looks like that.
It is milky. Actually masarap. It's good. It's actually good. I like it.
Yeah. I know. It looks nice.
It is milky.
Do you want this?
Or coffee.
Yeah. Evaporated. No. It's sweetened, right?
No, it's not sweetened. Evaporated.
No sweetness.
No, no sugar. Yeah, we can take that. I think it's better. You want? For coffee. Then grab one.
Or condensed.
Condensed. We can grab condensed too with this. Yeah, let's do that.
No, so one is enough then. It's too
One
much, right?
evaporated and one condensed.
Buy coffee, one evaporated and one condensed.
Okay.
Two is
How about the milk?
I'll put it up.
May mga sausages. No.
Have different.
Maybe something else.
More about
Open lang siya guys, oh. Talaga nakabukas lang. Diyan lang siya sa open. Pati yung mga doon. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo yung pastries nila. As ganun ka kumuha ng bread, oh. Hello. Ayan, nakabukas lang siya. Ito yung mga... Ay, may donut sila. Yummy. Sarap. Ayan, nasarap po. Ito yung na-try ko. Masarap siya. Parang milky kind of bread siya. May croissant na may asukal. Uy, palmier. Wow, ang sarap ng palmier nila. Ah, ito pala yung palmier. My God. I like that. Parang gusto ko tuloy. Ang sarap, guys. Tingnan nyo na lang ha. Pinipicturean ko siya. Ang cute. What time palmier? Pero sobrang laking palmier. Sabi ko, ay Sumit, mayroon silang palmier. Mukhang masarap. Here. How much is it? 10 pesos. 10 pesos. Yeah. 10 pesos. $1. Ay, 80 cents.
Is it?
Yeah, 80 cents. Wait lang.
Like the tongue.
Yeah, I saw someone taking tong. I don't know, paano ba kukuha nitong bread na to? Tong and what? A paper? Maybe right here?
These?
Maybe. And then you bring it here, someone's gonna put price. I think so. So, kuha ka yan, tapos dalhin mo doon, tapos someone's gonna put a price on it, I think. I'm not sure.
So big.
Shit. Oh
Yeah,
my
so
God, laki.
So you don't want these?
No, that's all I want, the palmier.
What is that?
I don't know. This one looks nice. Parang sponge cake na may, tinapay na may butter. donut.
Maybe
Maybe just grab
one more.
Kasi parang ang weird naman isang piraso yung kukunin namin. What's the difference? Ito parang may caramel. Tapos ito is like sugar coated.
This one?
Ay, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I want this maybe.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Ayan. Good luck. Sabi, good luck. Kahapon sabi ko rin sumit kahapon nung nag-order siya, good luck eh. Ay, dun nga. Dadalhin mo nga siya dyan. Tapos lalagyan nila ng presyo. Ipapak nga nila. Ah, ganun nga siya.
Is it same? Both are same?
Una y uno.
No, I mean, yeah, one. This one and this one. Is it same? Same flavor?
Ah, es
Same.
solo azúcar.
Is okay.
Oh, with sugar.
With sugar.
Yeah,
Ah,
asukal.
yeah. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you so
dear.
much.
Thank you. Ganon. 21. So, ano siya? $1 and
You understood?
I just understand asukal. Sugar. She said sugar. Ito is sugar.
It's just sugar. All are sugar.
I only understand words to me. Like, very
But
few.
at least we understood what she meant.
Ah,
And she was trying her best to help us, right?
yeah, that's right. So, yan. May palmir kami.
Also meat here.
Ay, punta tayo sa may meat section.
How about we buy the coffee and
Yeah, let's go. May chicharon sila, guys.
line?
Uy, you dip it with guacamole. Chicharon! Yeah, it looks the same as it. But the Philippine one has like, yung makapal, thicker one. This one is chili with lime. It looks good. Try kami na parang local ba?
Oh, this one is the biggest.
It's 58 divided by 12. It's, tingnan natin kung magkano sa dolyar.
160.
8 divided by 12. Ay, $4 siya. $4.80. Para sa chips, apakamahal ah. It's quite pricey, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, I think so. Ito $2. $2 something 40.
So you want to take this and this?
Yeah, let's try it.
Both.
But both has chili and lime. That one also has chili lime.
Then something else.
Yeah, something else. Tingin lang kami ng coffee, guys. Mga local lang gusto ni Sumit. Kumuha rin kami ng kondensada. Ayan, kondensada din ang tawag nila. Same. Tapos meron din silang ganito, dulce de leche. Ayun. So maghanap lang kami ng ikakape namin. Merong coffee maker dun sa eh. Ito, 41. Wala, Canelo, bla bla bla. Ang cute. 10 peso at kondensada.
What? So small.
Wala namang mas ililiit pa to. Ang cute lang, oh. Naglilihi na po si Sumit. Sabi niya, I want some pakwan. So, bili siyang watermelon.
This one is good. Too big. Oh my God. What I want after so long. And mangoes.
Yeah.
I don't care about meat. I care about fruits. Let's check. Okay. I almost forgot.
I don't feel like cooking. Ayoko magluto eh. Sabi niya, gusto mo ba ito? Lutuin natin. Kaya ayoko magluto.
Avocado. We are in Mexico.
Kaya, may masaya na po. Ay, naglilihi. Parang siya naglilihi, oh. Naglalaway na siya.
So nice.
Pa siya mangga niya.
Oh my God.
Paborito niya yun eh.
Nice.
Paano? Ayun na, you bag it.
Yeah.
Want me to grab the bag?
Yeah.
Bag mo, tapos ikikilo mo siya. Ganun ba yun? Tama ba?
You have chilies, man. Different kind of chilies. Ooh, watermelon. This one. Wow.
Hello.
It's just fruit day.
Babayad na kami guys. Pagoda na ako. Para kami nag-isang oras
It's
dito.
fine. It's fine. Don't worry.
I want halls. Ayun na. Sa atin, nagtatrabaho pa. Kahit matanda na. Try lang namin yung parang drink nila na may Yakult daw. Hindi naman malasahan yung Yakult. Lasang yogurt drink. Yung kasi medyo milky, mas better to compared to this one. And gumagamit pala sila ng plastic.
You wanna go throw?
Where?
I don't know. I don't see. Oh.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, we can throw outside. Ayun, gumagamit pa sila ng plastic dito. It's free, right? The plastic bags? Bags are free? Oh. So, in total, 800
Peso.
800 Mexican pesos. In $66 siya. Around the same, I guess,
Same.
the price. Kapag
Yeah.
nag-grocery ka, ganun
Things are
din.
expensive.
Kunti lang yung nakuha namin eh. Actually, we bought big shampoos and all that. But,
Yeah. I mean, we have a lot of things. I mean,
and we have mango and
oh yeah, watermelon.
watermelon. Where's the watermelon?
See?
Oh, you already put it
I
here.
already kidnapped it.
Okay guys, alis na kami. Babush na. Huminto kami dito sa may gilid. Try namin ito. Ito yung nakikita ko sa sa internet. Mango.
The sour one? The small one, right?
Yeah, small one. She said they have 30, they have 40. Mango, a bit yellow. I don't want too much green, but not too yellow. This one looks good. That one there. Yeah. Ito na nga ito yung ano ba yung tawag dito sa sauce na to? Kalimutan ko na yan eh.
You understood? 30, 40?
Yeah. Yeah, I understand.
Mango?
Yeah.
Yes. Ay, that's too yellow.
Sí.
This one?
The one in the middle?
This one?
This one, yes.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
¿Así de ese?
Yes.
Ese no.
No. Spice. Lime.
Yeah, I think she's gonna add some lime and
Spice.
Le pongo este.
You want? No? No?
okay.
Okay.
A little bit. It's too much already.
Perdón. Tajín.
Yes, thank you.
Picante.
Yeah,
Yes,
picante.
add everything.
Lime.
Ayun pala, tahin.
Yeah.
Mas may lime.
Nice. Wow. Looks nice, right?
Wow. Yummy.
Listo.
How much?
70. 70 pesos.
70.
70? Okay. Oh, sorry.
Oh, I think it's quite big. She added. 70 na siya. 70 pesos na.
Well, it looks nice.
What is this? What is this?
¿Gusta tomarlo?
Ano ba yun? Salsa.
Like this one?
Chamoy. I want chamoy.
Chamoy y salsa.
Can we add?
Costa Brava.
You wanna add?
Yeah, I want to add this chamoy. Let's add chamoy. It's soury. Yeah, soury like tamarind.
¿Gusta que le dé una de litro?
Little?
Yeah, just add chamoy. Chamoy with tahin, they said it's good. Let us take a picture.
You wanna try one? If it's nice, then I'll add more.
We just eat here? Yeah, we can eat here, right?
Yep, try. Here. Your thingy. Line on.
We'll sit down there. Okay, dito lang. Iniwan kasi namin yung gamit namin dito sa gilid. Sarap ng chamoy. I like the hinto. It's yummy. Yeah. Just stand there, I'll take a picture of you. Yeah, it's okay, just put it down. Here. No, with that. Picture ako siya. Okay, one, two. One more. One. I don't know. Yummy! It's nice, I like it. How much is it? $70.
70.
5.
I like it.
Sarap.
Wow. The spices are so good.
The yellow one, like not too ripe, but not too green, is really good, right? So guys, dito na kami sa accommodation. Huh? Why it looks so dark? Dito na kami sa accommodation. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung pamili namin. And sobrang init pa. Grabe yung lakad namin. Oh. Pagod. Ano nga bang napamili namin? $66. So, sa kanilang Mexican peso, 700, 800 nga efectivo. Kasi meron pa. What is cambio? May additional, basta 800, balance. Itlog, pang breakfast. Pero usually hindi na ako nagbe-breakfast. I don't usually eat breakfast anymore. I just drink coffee. Pero just in case lang. Kasi meron pa kami few days.
But tomorrow we will go and see new places, so I'll make breakfast.
You will make?
Yeah, and we eat, and then we go see the places.
Okay.
Then we come back and then we eat something outside.
Bumili kami ng chips na merong chili and lime. Tapos yung pinakita ko sa inyo palmier ko kanina sa breakfast dito, palmier dalawa, 21 pesos.
Ito.
Yung watermelon ni Samin napakabigat. So
6 kilo.
Tinapay with egg. Tapos sabon. Kasi wala na. Kukunin na lang yung sabon dyan. Conditioner. Kasi wala akong dala conditioner. Tapos yung shampoo rin dyan paubos na. Tapos bumili rin kami ng shampoo. Try lang namin itong dalawa. Ayan, Savile. Ata yung brand. Deodorant, kasi wala akong deodorant na dala. Body spray, body mist. Kasi wala akong dalang perfume. Tapos yung aming kondensada, pang kape. Pinalik na namin yung evaporada. Hindi kami kumuha ng evaporada. Ay, you bought this?
Yeah.
Bumili si Sumit ng
I just want to
chili. Sabi niya sa akin. Sabi ko, tara mag-bite na tayo.
It's around
Tapos,
20 peso.
oh.
The local jalapenos. Yep. I just want to
Gustong-gusto niya yan kasi sabi ko, tara mag-bite na tayo. Tapos sabi niya, bumalik siya. Sabi niya, I just really wanna check the chilies. Sabi niya ganun sa akin.
Yeah, because we are in Mexico.
Balik siya dun. Tapos tinitigan niya ulit yung mga sili-sili dun. Bumili ako ng mais. Lalagyan lang to ng butter and salt. Pwede rin for breakfast. Mangga. Para sa naglilihi. And ang sarap ng mango yung nasa street with chamoy and
Yeah,
tahin.
just smells so good.
Oh my God. Naglalaway na naman ako. Pag naalala ko siya. Coffee. Ayan yung brand.
Yeah, local.
Bumili ako ng candy. Tapos gusto lang namin try itong candy na to. Sa Brosa. Parang ano siya. Pressed, ano siya diba? Strawberry. Strawberry flavored na. Ala ka. And Chilo Vero. Oh, it's spicy.
Nice.
Hala! Strawberry na spicy. I'm gonna try it now.
Strawberry with spice.
I didn't know that it has spice.
Oh,
We just
haven't showed
took
these.
it. Not yet. Ay, tapos yung margarine. Sabi ko kay Sumit, ayoko ng butter. Gusto ko ng margarine kasi sobrang sarap ng margarine.
Salt.
Ikaamoy niya yung margarine sa atin. You will love it, Sumit. It's better than butter.
Smells like vanilla.
Tapos yung ketchup and salt para sa aming egg. Yun lang.
I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the total.
Wala to give you guys an idea.
Huh? Good?
It's
Spicy?
sour.
Spicy, sour.
Not too spicy.
Yeah.
It is like tahin plus. Like the same as what we ate. Yummy.
Things are expensive here. It's not cheap at all.
Oh my God, yummy, Sumit.
Yeah? So we took the correct one.
Yeah. I'm gonna bring this. Like, it's mild. Look at the spiciness. You gonna shower now or later?
Oh.
You?
Yeah, we can.
Weekend? Anda ka, then later shower again. I'll think about it.
Maybe just rest for 5 minutes.
Rest muna guys, babush.